Hey, what's going on, everybody? Matthew from therighttrader.com. Guys, we just hit $30,000 on the Bitcoin price. Check this out, guys. The last update that I made earlier today, we're still at 29,000. I called it on the channel just a few hours before it happened, and now we are above $30,000 for Bitcoin. This is a huge achievement. Congratulations to all Bitcoin holders. We are now up 6.3% in the last 24 hours, almost 10% in the last 7 days. And this move is huge, guys. This brings us to a monthly move of, I believe, over 50%. We'll check it out once the page reloads here. And yeah, just under a 50% move in the last month alone, guys. That's crazy for Bitcoin. You need to keep in mind that Bitcoin is a $500 billion plus coin. And this is just the start. Now I think we're going to go quite a bit higher in this pump. For now, right, this is just step one. There's going to be more pumps in the weeks to come. I'll go ahead and zoom out a bit, though, to give you a bit of a bigger picture idea of what's happening here. We're actually even going to go to the weekly chart and get you an idea of what's going on. So excuse the messiness of this chart, but basically I'll run you through quickly where we are at now. And we have now broken into this next rectangle box here. This is the target area. And in this box, what do I think is going to happen? Well, short term, right, we could get a very slight pullback down to 29,500. I don't see us necessarily dropping much more than that. In a worst case scenario, we could slip back down here towards 25k, but I'm not that confident that that's going to happen. I think we might only fall down around to 29,000 at the most, and then start bouncing higher in this box as we aim for the $35,000 area. Once we hit that, guys, you know, that is going to be the next target that will have been hit. And keep in mind, there's a huge amount of shorts that are being liquidated here, right, which causes these massive green candles. And we are about to see kind of the next step of that, which is going to push us to $35,000. And that might not be the end just yet either. Okay, we have this megaphone pattern, we're moving higher in it, and as soon as we reach 35,000, guys, well, what's next? Are we going to go crashing lower? No, guys, no. We need to see how it acts at 35,000, because we could head towards 45,000 next. You can see here, guys, there's quite a lot of open room to move higher. There's not that much resistance in between these areas. So, you know, we could see pretty easily, guys, at least another 15% pump, if not another 30% pump. And higher price levels, right, even as high as some of the levels we had back here during the bull run, could be revisited, right? I'm thinking maybe 50,000, right? And why is that the case? Because we are right now in the mid cycle pump of the crypto winter. So you can see back here, guys, what we were looking at. And now, of course, right, we are seeing the mid cycle pump happen again, right? That refers to this area right here that I drawn out with the circles. So, you know, during that previous pump, guys, we moved up a massive 338%. Right now, we are currently already up 90%. And if we go maybe up to 40,000, that's 150%. If we go back up to the highs, guys, that will be exactly the same amount that we had during the previous mid-cycle pump, right? We did not make a higher high, but then we pulled back out quite a bit. So I want you to be careful for that pullback that's going to come afterwards. But right now, guys, there's a lot more room to head higher. Okay, even as high as $65,000. You heard it here first. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll be seeing you all very soon. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.